Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter. Great day today trading. 3 for 3, 2 trades Roku, 1 trade Beyond, up $2,989. Let's dive right in. So I traded Beyond pretty quickly today. Blasted out the gate on Beyond 931. And I blended my 2 and my 1 minute charts. I've been talking about this now for a while. So trades were kind of getting tricky there, and I wasn't really staying in them for the full trade. But oh wait, I'm down the wrong side. Sorry guys, here we go. Okay, so basically what I looked for on Beyond here was it's kind of upward pressure. I knew it was kind of going to kick in. 134 was the whole number, and it was the high of the previous of the thing here, the previous the pre-market. So I just blasted in, and I got in 134.10. Straight up got $1 on it. Now there was huge movement in Beyond as well anyways. So you can see 134.10 here, and it came back to 134.80. So never really near it, but went straight up to $3.82 on Beyond. Beyond. You know, really don't like the stock, but it has kind of irrational strength as well. So got a full dollar on that. And that was it. I was up $1,500 odd on that, 1509 I think it was. Yeah, there it is, 1509. And then I saw a short quite quickly on Roku. So Roku on the 2 and the 1. So I had the 1 and the 2 open obviously. So I'll just show you the 1 what I saw. Saw this short coming in here at 34 and said to myself, I'm going to get short if it breaks. I called it out in the room as well. If it breaks 1845, I think is a good time. But what happened was it kind of broke it here, and then when it opened up here, I was like, look, it's not going down. It's bouncing. And it kind of tinkered around here, bounced up a little bit, and then it broke through. And I was like, okay, I'm not missing this, because I missed kind of 1 or 2 trades yesterday. And I got in on the low side. I got in at 118 at 36 here. So right in here on the low side, kind of a bad entry when you think about it. But luckily Roku was forgiving. Here in 18, and Roku did a $2.51 move, but I only got I think it was about 59-60 cent on that. So basically or maybe about 40 cent. One second. Well, I made $580 on it, so whatever that was. So what happened was I sold half down here at 43 up here, which was it was a good place to sell, and it came back up, and I said I'm not going to let it come back to entry, but it went to 117.98. And then as you can see, this is what annoyed me about this trade here. My entry where I was calling out was 118.46. It came down, so you would have got your dollar in there, right? Fine, leave that. But it came up, touched it, and came back down. So that was a beautiful move. Then I got a long on Roku. So over here at 956, right in here, I got in. Again, not the best entry, but it didn't pull back too far. I got in here, as you can see, 116.666. So I hope you're not superstitious. Well, the trade worked, so whatever that means. Maybe I'm on the dark side, who knows. 32 cent against me and went up $1.38. And this one I cashed it out at 10.04, which was here. And what was happening was I was pulling back, and I said to myself, I gave myself stupid arbitrary rule. I said if it breaks 117, I'm going to close it out. It did break 117 actually, and then it came back up, and I cashed it out at 117.26. But I got $900 on it. I'm happy with $900. It's over my. It's not 2 to 1. The first one was 2 to 1, so I kind of felt I could take a few liberties on this, anyways. But still, 2,989 on the day. Roku did. I know someone in the room caught 2 shorts on Roku here. I called this out. Well, I didn't need to call it out, but I was calling it out as it was happening, because this aligned, I think, perfectly with Roku on the 2 minute. Let's have a quick look at Roku on the 2, as well as the 1. And they're the best ones. They are the best ones. So here, Roku, yes. So as you can see down here, Roku had a red, shorts came in here, but it turned red. The background turned red at 10:14. And then the short came in right in here. I think the short, yeah, basically, when both of them go red at the same time, you're in business. And that was it. I took that. Oh, sorry, I didn't take that. I called that out. Someone took that, made $1 on that one. Over here, this one. Made $1 on that one, and then made $1 on this short down here again. It was just all short. Roku, very easy to trade today. Yesterday was quite easy as well, but I just wasn't. I was on the 2 minute time frame and it wasn't giving it up. But the 1 minute yesterday was beautiful on Roku. Look at that. Missed that. Take that, take that, take that, take that. Look at that. Dollar, 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 dollar. $4 on Roku. Anyways, up for the day. Quite happy with it. I needed a nice boost now because I was kind of slacking there the last few days with my $500 and $400 wins. And I'm looking at the poll here in the chat room. We have 2 very green. I'm one of those. 5 green and 1 break even. So that basically means that everyone in the room except 1 made money today and 1 broke even. And we have very, very new people in the room as well, guys. You have to remember that. So all of you that are green today, the whole room is pretty much green except 1 break even. Fair play to you. That's how we do it. And if anybody needs a trial, reach out to me on TradingView here or the links below. Okay, talk to you in the next one.